Hey you guys, what's up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I do appreciate it. I know you did not have to. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring bell, and I will support you back as always. You know I will. This is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So yes, today we are doing a video for two giveaways that I won. One of them was on Instagram and the other was on YouTube. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing that, you know the drill. Keep on watching and I will be right back. Happy Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. Happy Labor Day, everybody. Yes, I did win two giveaways. But one of them is from a lady on Instagram who I talk to every once in a while, but it was like a secret giveaway where the giveaway winner was not announced. You actually received a DM if you won, and I usually don't enter a lot of Instagram giveaways, but this lady I trust, and she basically did not want everybody to know about it. So since it was a secret giveaway, I'm not going to give her information, but I will give the other giveaway information for the other girl. That one was on YouTube, and her name is Tanya Marie, and she's super sweet. I've known her for over a year now, and she's very, very, very kind. She lives in Georgia as well. She lives further inland in Georgia, so we have just been friends for over a year, and she's super sweet. I would love for you guys to go and check out her channel. I will put her name and all her information down here in the annotations and down at the bottom. Please go and check her out. She's super, super kind, super sweet, has a super, super kind heart, and I just adore her. So we will go and look at this stuff first. So she sent me this bag full of goodies, so I'm pretty excited about this, and I just can't wait. So the first thing that she sent me, and this is just really funny because it's not really makeup, but it is actually it's a collagen peptide grass-fed and pasture-raised vitality blend like drink. And you take one of these packets, it's keto friendly, you take one of these packets and you mix it with 8 ounces of water, and it has so many amazing things in it. It's got 18 amino acids, 18 grams of protein, 20 grams of collagen peptides, collagen types 1 and 3, easy to digest. So yeah, that is from the collagen peptide from Purely Inspired. So yeah, that was pretty cool. I've never gotten anything like this in a giveaway before, so that was pretty cool. So this is my belly. Oh, but wait, let me show you guys my shirt first, because this is like the best shirt ever, and I couldn't find it for the longest, and I finally found it, and I have to show you guys. Okay, so my shirt says, it is a tank top actually, and it says, "I can't adult today." Yes, I can't adult today. That is how I feel, honestly. I do. I feel like I cannot adult today. Okay, so the next thing in here is something super pretty. This is something that I think a couple of these things were received in BoxyCharm or Ipsy, or these are things that I don't have. So this is really cool. This is the Artist Couture, and this is the Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder. And let me tell you guys, this is so gorgeous. It looks orange, right? Okay, so there's a swatch of it on the finger, but on the skin, when you swatch it, it's so finely milled and gorgeous. It is actually purple. You guys, it is actually purple. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, is that not gorgeous? I'm just adoring this Artist Couture. This Artist Couture powder. I love it. I absolutely love it. I absolutely do. I love it. Okay. So the next thing that she sent me, this is actually a set. So I'm going to pull the whole set out here, and I think this is really cool. Either way, I know I've seen the brand before, but I don't have anything from this brand. So this is the Salon Perfect, and this is the Brow Defining Palette, and this is actually beautiful. I love how it looks on the inside. It does have a little mirror here that you can do your brows, but it comes with a little brush, and these are the colors that are in there. So this is just really gorgeous, and it's very versatile, and I really love it. Also, she sent a brush to go with it. It is the Salon Perfect brand, and I really do like this brush. The bristles down here are super soft, and the spoolie is great. So I can't have enough spoolies with ends. Like, I just love them. They're my favorite. But I think my favorite thing out of this whole set is this product. This is super cool. This is the Salon Perfect Brow Grooming Pencil. This is what it looks like, and it has a built-in sharpener. That is actually a sharpener, you guys. I don't know if you can see it or not. But there's actually a sharpener where you can put the product in and sharpen it. But this pencil is like, it's almost got a wax base to it, and it's just like a brow taming pencil, and there's, you know, you can feel it, and it's kind of tacky. But this is perfect for me for when I decide I do not want to do my brows and I just want to throw some of this up in here, maybe with a little bit of powder, throw some of this in here, and it's going to tame my brows and keep these little edges right here that always bother me from going wackadoodle. So I love this product. I think this is really cool. You guys, this is a gorgeous product. This is the Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter in Cotton Candy. It looks like this. This was safety sealed and packaged. This was not used. And I have never felt anything like this before in my whole entire life. This is what the product looks like. It's got this shift to it, but the feel of it, oh my goodness. It is so soft. I mean, it's definitely like a wet feeling, and I've just never really tried any of the jelly stuff, but this, you guys, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then when you swatch it, it's just so super soft and pigmented. And I would love to use that for an eye look. I mean, this would be beautiful on the inner corner of the eye. This would be beautiful basically anywhere you put it. And when you put it on the skin, it's like cream to powder. It's just beautiful, and I love it. It's not like a super bright pink, but it's definitely like a cotton candy pink. I love it. Absolutely love it. And then also, as far as palettes go, she sent me the Huda Beauty Obsessions Smokey palette. I do not have this palette. I have the Mauve Obsessions and I have the Sapphire Obsessions, but I do not have the Smokey Obsessions. I know, right? You would think I would have this. And when I opened this, I'd never seen it in person, and when I opened this, I was just like, oh, this is definitely not what I expected. I expected something different. I don't know. It just looks so different in person than it does online. But it's gorgeous. It really is. It is a gorgeous palette. She sent me the No Problem Primer Essence. And I know a lot of you guys received this in your, I think it was a Boxy Luxe. And since I don't get that anymore, I was super excited to have this. This is actually, it has the Calendula Officinalis flower extract in it. So I do love the fact that it has that. It is a prime essence, which is meaning that you are going to use it underneath the primer. And then last but not least, we have 5 masks that I won from Miss Tanya, and these are what they look like. So we have 3 of these these purple masks, the sheet mask, and they are the Mackay Berry Antioxidant. It's an intensive treatment mask that works to correct hyperpigmentation and boost radiance and hydrate for brighter, even tone complexion. So there's 3 of these. I don't really do a lot of sheet masks, but if they are, I will give anything a try. So I'll probably try one of these. I may pass these on to somebody else. So 2 of these maybe put in a giveaway. And I know Tanya wouldn't mind that. I also got, this is something I've never heard of, and this I may try to use. This is the Timeless Beauty Bar, and it's called Up in the Clouds. It's a sheet mask, and this is basically for intensely hydrating, rejuvenating, plumping, and nourishing. And I love the packaging on this. I think this is very cool. This is a premium charcoal mask sheet. So this is very cool. I do like this. I think that this is something that could benefit a lot of people. I may not use this either just because it's charcoal, but it does say hydration and moisture. So if I do decide to use this, I will do a video using this, because I've never used the charcoal sheet mask before, and that should be interesting. That should be interesting. So I may hold on to this. If not, you guys know, anything that I win or anything that I get and I can pass on to someone else, I'm going to do it, because that's just the way I roll. So, yeah, so we got all those products. I just, thank you so much, Tanya. You're such a sweetheart, and I just think the world of you, and I just think that you're just a beautiful person, and I really appreciate it. I'm going to get much use out of these awesome products. So the other giveaway that I won, this will be pretty simple. You guys are probably going to be super stoked over this, as if that other stuff wasn't enough. I actually won the Morphe Jeffree Star brushes from the lady on Instagram, and with the bag and everything, and I am so excited because you guys know I have a lonely Jeffree Star brush that my son's girlfriend gave me because she had so many spoolies. She gave me this, and yeah, it's beautiful. So I was like, he needs some friends, and so I did enter this. And I generally do not enter giveaways on Instagram because I know that a lot of them are BS and they're not like real. So, but anyways, this is what the Morphe Jeffree Star bag looks like, and we're going to go through each brush. So these are our Jeffree Star brushes, and this is what, there's 10 of these. This is what they look like. And these start at number 5, a JS7, as is this one. So we'll start with this. These are basically a duplicate. The only difference in these is that this one is a little bit longer. So putting the bottoms together, see, it's a little bit longer there, but either way, it's an amazing little spoolie. And like I said, with the other spoolie, I cannot have enough spoolie brushes. I love them. So we have that one. So that's the JS7. Okay, so getting past that. All right, so we're going to start with the JS5. And this is a natural hair brush. And this is the Crease Queen brush. And I do think that there is this is a duplicate of another one of the natural hair brushes that is in the first set. And we have the JS6, which is the Rule Blender brush. And this one, it kind of surprised me a little because when I washed it, I actually used my Cinema Secrets to wash this, and it got some little stray hairs here, but this is a natural hair brush. And so this is what it looks like. You can see that it's a little bit more like, the end of it is a little bit more tapered, but when I washed it, it got a little funky. And then up next we have the JS8. This is the Drama Crease brush. This is a synthetic hair brush. It looks like this, and this is similar to the Queen Crease Queen brush, except it does have synthetic hairs and is a little bit more stiff. This reminds me a lot of the E35 as far as the shape and the texture. So see, there's the E35 from Sigma, and you can see that this one's just a little bit more tapered, but once this gets used very well, it will kind of fan out like this, but it does feel the same. Next up we have the JS9, and this is a natural hair brush. I love this brush. This is the Fluffer Crease Blush. Now this brush is very, very, very beautiful. I love it. I love this because it does have more of a tapered end on this brush. This is probably my favorite one out of all the natural hair brushes that came in this collection. So the rest of these are synthetic brushes. And so we are going to go with the JS10 next, and the JS10 is the Diva Crease brush. Now this brush to me does not look like a crease brush. This is more of like a flat shader brush. The only one that has, out of the synthetic, that has that rounded shape. So using this for cut creasing and tapping on products into the crease and on the lid, this is going to be amazing for that. The next one is the JS11, and that is the Blunt Packer brush. So this is actually considered a packing brush. And you can see that it's not as rounded up here, and it is a little bit less stiff than the other one, but it is stiff enough to be able to pack product on. The next two are my favorite of the synthetics, I think. We have the JS12 and the JS13. One of them is the Sport Mode Blender brush, and the other one is the Palm Crease brush. And okay, let me just show you guys. These are really, really interesting. I do like these. These are the two brushes. This is the JS Sport right here, the longer one. See, this has longer bristles, and then this is almost like a pencil brush. But this, to me, the smaller one, the Sport, which one? Wait, the Palm Crease brush. This one is so good if you have hooded eyes. This reminds me of one of the Luxie brushes that we got in that little gold set of for hooded eyes. So I think that this one is going to be really good for blending out those spaces under the eye, and also blending out the areas up into the crease, up into the brow bone. And then if you have hooded eyes, you know, like I know Jeffree was saying that this one was going to be great for detail work with hooded eyes. And then the last one, it of course is going to be the Happy Ending liner brush, and that looks like this. It is a straight liner brush as opposed to the edge liner brush, and I have not even felt this yet, because this one I did not clean. I didn't think I'd be using it. Oh, I might have to clean that. Now this is going to be good for like potted eyeliner, like the Morphe black liner. Using a powder, this is my favorite kind of brush to use a powder liner with. So now that I have done talked and talked and talked and talked, yes, so this is the amazing 2 giveaways that I won. I cannot be more thankful to both of these ladies for allowing me to receive these products, because you know I haven't been buying anything, and other than giveaways and doing reviews for companies and Amazon and all kinds of stuff, you know, I have not been getting any products. So I really do appreciate it. This is something I wanted really, really bad. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so, so much again, ladies, for the giveaway, and I do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love you all so much. Comment down below, let me know what you think of these products. If you guys like the video, you know what to do. Please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring bell. I will support you back as always. I love you all, but I will not argue with you. I will see you guys on my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.